bring it on, here it goes, here it goes.
That was a loud noise.
I think so. The final cuts were made, and the tower came down. Now that the tower is on the ground, crews will spend several days cutting it up for scrap. Soon there won't be any traces of it left, as portions of Legacy West begin to rise where it once stood.
H.I.M. There goes his tower. Timber! Woo! Nice! Nice. And this is what we pull it down with.
Under one of the legs and kind of straighten it out a little bit. Whoa, that was close. Oh, Lord. I can't believe that cardboard was just a little too thick. Guess we needed a smaller shell.